Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. Okay, so today we are going to make it in a bit unique way, like it is just different from what we usually do. So let's begin with the body first. So body, and let's give it a background color, which is obviously going to be this one. Paste. So here we have a body. Now we'll give margin, which is going to be 100. So as you can see, that square has now come in the center, quite much center, not properly. Actually, I have already made it once because I thought it would be a little difficult and would make the video longer. So I already have the code. Let me see if I still have. As you can see, I already made it myself. I have the code. I'm just, you can say, remembering and writing. So here we need solid border. What we are doing is we are creating this. Simply we want to create this. Now obviously we'll need the color, so paste. We can even remove the div for now. I'll remove it. I just named it A, and it wouldn't appear until I give position fixed, so no problem. And if we go in difference, as you can see, it has disappeared. Now we'll need to use box shadow. So under box shadow, I will give, you can say, coordinates, or I don't know what the proper word would be. So 0, 0, 0 and 21Q. Or maybe not 21, 21.2Q. I just saw that it isn't an accurate value for what we need. That's why I just brought those points in the previous code that I showed. And now again 0, 0 and 0. Now we would be using, the value was around 42 point something. Let's first go with 42 only. Let's give the color, paste, and as you can see there is a little bit difference, so 0.1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 is correct. So 42.3Q. Now we can put a semicolon, or we do not need, because it's the last one. Last statement can be without semicolon when using this website. Only then. We'll also need another div, so B. Okay, so now we'll give them the common properties, which are going to be first the background. So the background is going to be the color we last copied, and also it will have a border which will be solid and this color. We would be using these to just create these lines. As you can see here, those lines are missing, so it is simply used to create those lines. Okay, and now we'll also give it another, which is position fixed, because obviously it will appear properly when we are using position fixed. Okay, now I would be giving properties to A, which I would use to create this one, and then I'll use box reflect to create this one. So let's give it a height of 20, width of 40, and then we will give a border of 20 and 0, because we do not need border at the top and bottom, we only need it at the sides. So next thing would be margin, which will play a key role. So 0 and minus 60. Wait, I think I got confused. We are creating this one. I just mixed the code of A and B. Just let me correct it a little bit. So wait, I have to use border width. I by mistake wrote only border. So we gave height 20. Okay, I by mistake wrote width instead of width. Yeah, now it's correct. I was wondering what's the problem. As you can see, it has disappeared. Now we would be using WebKit box reflect. So obviously it is going to be on the right side because this is on the left side, this is at the right side. So right, then we need to give it some value. I'll give it in with respect to Q. So 211.6 Q. Let me check once that am I using the correct one. Yeah, as you can see, there is not at all any difference on those places. Now it's turn for B. And here width and height value would just interchange itself. So width 20 and height is going to be 40. Also the border width will change its value with each other. So 0 and 20. There is no difference if you will put the code of A inside B. Like if you interchange them, there is no difference. So let's give it a margin now. I think it was around minus 60 and 0. No, I have to make some changes. 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah, 50 is correct. So this is the margin. Now we'll again use WebKit box reflect, and now it will be reflected on the bottom side, so we'll write below. And this time the value was I think 105Q. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 is correct. Let's submit it now. Most probably it will give us a score above 600. No? You can clearly see here that nothing is visible as a difference. Even if we go like this, there is no difference, but it's still giving us 99.9. Like, what's this? How are we supposed to see what's wrong now? That's weird. Like, now I'm completely clueless. What should we do? Because the max we can do is that there is not at all any difference visible, and there isn't any. Now what can we do? This feels really weird. I'll just once see if I can change something that would make it better, although I don't think I have anything such to do. Like, you can clearly see there is no difference, yet we are supposed to see what more we can do. Like, what can I? Now, does it increase or decrease? It remains the same. Dude. Does it change now? Like, until there isn't any change, how am I supposed to know? Okay, what if I removed 0.6 from here? I don't think it should be this way. Like, if I have a code that has completely covered and made the difference black, then there shouldn't be any problem. Like, how am I supposed to bring some changes and make it 100% when according to this it already is? I know. Like, where is the difference? Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.